Principal Ma'am, all the teachers and all my dear students. As you all know that Mahashivratri is at the end of the week, and I know that you all know that on that day Lord Shiva got married to Mata Parvati. So today on this auspicious occasion, I would like to tell you some qualities of Lord Shiva which you should have in yourself, which will help you to be a good person or a better version of yourself. The first quality is self-control. What does it mean? Self-control is the ability to control one's emotion, mind, behavior and desire. For example, at times when we people teach in the class, some of the students who are backbenchers, what they did, they start doing the completion work of other subjects, they start doing the mathematical problems, and when I scold them, they take out my subject notebook and start completing my subject notebook. So that is totally wrong. When I ask them why you are doing so, then they reply, ma'am, today we are not feeling like understanding this chapter, so could you please give us some writing work, because today we want to do some writing work today. So could you please do this explanation on some other day? So my dear students, you are grown up now, and this deed shows that your mind and your heart, your feelings, your emotion are not in your control. Rather, it is right to say that your emotions, your feelings and your mind is controlling you. Okay, so that is totally wrong, and one day this uncontrolled mind will lead to a disastrous result. The second thing is Shivji, also known as Mahayogi, because he practiced meditation and for hours for the well-being of universe. Okay, so I observed in you all people that at times you get furious very easily, and in anger you even forget that to whom you are talking and what words you are using. So to keep your mind calm and relaxed, you should practice meditation, and if you are not able to do that, just start doing one thing. When you are gathering here for assembly, just focus your mind on the assembly prayer, sing it well, sing it with your heart, and focus your mind on the prayers what you are singing. Okay, so this is a very simple way through which you can calm your mind and your anger too. So today I told you 2 qualities of Shiva, and I hope soon you will enrich yourself with these 2 qualities. Keep meditating, keep practicing, keep listening your teacher, obey all the rules. Have a nice day and thank you.